Hey y'all, welcome to today's warm-up flow and Tortoise Pose tutorial. My name is Leah, or you guys can call me Baby Scorpio, and I'll be your yoga teacher. Namaste, and let's go y'all. We're going to start off in easy seated forward fold for 1 minute, so sit with your legs crossed. We're going to inhale to lengthen our spine, and exhale to fold forward. And breathe deeply. This pose helps opens up the hips and gently stretches your hamstrings. We're going to transition into butterfly pose for 1 minute. So we're going to bring the soles of our feet together and drop our knees out. We're going to hold our feet and inhale to lengthen our spine and exhale to fold forward. If comfortable, you can gently press your elbows into your thighs. This pose is great for your inner thighs and your hip flexibility. We're going to transition into wide-legged forward fold for 1 minute. So we're going to extend our legs wide apart in a seated position. We're going to inhale to sit tall and exhale to fold forward with a flat back. This pose helps deepen your stretch for your hamstrings, and it's great for your groin. We're going to transition into seated forward fold for 1 minute. So we're going to put our legs together in front of us with our feet flexed. We're going to inhale our arms all the way up and exhale, folding them forward, reaching for our feet or our shins. This pose helps deepen your hamstring stretch and calms your mind. We're going to transition into rocking baby pose for 1 minute. So we're going to bend our knees, bringing the soles of our feet off the ground. We're going to grab the outer edges of our feet with our hands and gently rock side to side. Then we're going to place our feet back down with our knees out, and now we're ready for the tortoise pose. We're going to continue to sit with our legs wide apart and slightly bent. We're going to start to fold forward between our legs as we start to work our arms under our thighs, and our palms should be facing down. We're going to slowly slide our legs out straighter, keeping our chest low, and we're going to breathe deeply. You can go as slow as you want to get into this pose. We're going to transition back into easy pose and take 3 big deep breaths. So inhale in and exhale out. So inhale in and exhale out. So inhale in and exhale out. Thank yourself for showing up to this yoga session. You are worthy of investing in your mind, body, and soul. Namaste, and see you guys in the next one. Bye, y'all.